Hi, it's Miss Becky with Miss Becky's Musical Stories, and today we're going to read Life in a Pond. Life in a Pond. I see an L for life. Life in a pond. 1, 2, 3, 4 words. 1, 2, 3, 4 words. By Craig Hammersmith. And I'm noticing there is a frog on the cover. So that gives me a clue that maybe frogs live in the pond. So this is called the table of contents, and it tells us what we're going to learn about in this book, because this is a nonfiction book that teaches us something. So the pictures are real photographs. No one painted or drew these pictures. They took them with a camera. The first one we're going to learn about is pond life, then insects, frogs, mud puppies, fish, turtles, birds, beavers, and fun facts. So let's get started. Pond life. Plop, kersplash, kerplunk. Shallow ponds are smaller than lakes, but they are bursting with life. Ponds are home to all kinds of animals. So that is their environment, the ponds, the frog's environment. That's a big leap. Insects. Insects live in calm pond waters. Dragonflies lay eggs in ponds. Young dragonflies live in water until they become adults. There's the dragonfly. Frogs. Frogs live in and around ponds. Young frogs, called tadpoles, live underwater. Then they grow legs and lungs. As adults, they breathe outside of water. So that is when it's a tadpole and not a frog just yet. Mud puppies. Mud puppies live in ponds too. Mud puppies aren't puppies. They are amphibians like frogs and salamanders. So I'm guessing it's called a mud puppy because it's living in the mud by the pond. Fish. Freshwater fish live in ponds. Catfish, sunfish, and bass can all be found in ponds. They munch on insects and plants in the water. And this word says, right here, oops, catfish. This is a catfish, and that's the label. Turtles. Ponds are often home to turtles. Turtles spend time swimming in the water, but they also rest in sunny places to warm up. Birds. Birds go to the ponds to find food. Herons stand very still in the shallow water. When fish swim by, herons spear them with their bills. This is their bills, and they caught the fish for their dinner. This is a pretty blue heron. Beavers. Beavers don't just live in ponds, sometimes they make ponds. They chew down trees to build dams. The dam blocks up the water and makes a new pond. Fun facts. Dragonflies can't fly when their wing muscles are cold. So if they're too cold, they can't fly. In cold weather, fish can live under the pond's ice. They breathe air in the water that is trapped under the ice. Beavers build dams to surround their home or lodge with water. The water keeps predators away. Mud puppies are also called mud puppies and water dogs. People once thought they barked like dogs. So I hope you enjoyed listening to the story of Life in the Pond, in a Pond.